Chapter 1. Growing Up. What growing up is? Growing up means becoming older with the passage of time. All living beings grow. Human beings, animals, and plants grow with the passage of time. Growth in human beings. All human beings grow with time. We grow every day. Let us see the main stages of growth in human beings. Infant. A newborn baby is called an infant. When a baby is born, it is very small. It cannot sit or stand on its own. It can move only arms, hands, and legs. It feeds only on milk. Toddler. After some time, an infant grows into a toddler. It starts to crawl and the milk teeth start growing. Kid. A toddler grows into a kid. It starts eating food items besides drinking milk. It learns to walk, run, etc. Child. After some time, a kid grows into a child. Their permanent teeth grows and they start going to school. Teenager. After some years, a child grows into a teenager. It is the age between 13 and 19 years. Certain changes take place in the body. Adult. A teenager grows into an adult. At this stage, one's body is fully developed. Old. Old age comes after many years. At this stage, body becomes weak and skin becomes wrinkled. An old person cannot walk or move properly. Hair also turns grey in this stage. Human body growth flowchart. Infant, toddler, kid, child, teenager, adult, old. Growth in plants. All living beings grow. A plant grows from a seed. Let us see the growing stages of a plant. Seeds, sapling, plant, tree. Growth in birds and animals. A bird grows from an egg. A baby bird hatches from an egg and then grows into an adult bird. Eggs, birdling, bird. A puppy grows into a dog. Baby puppy, puppy, dog. All animals grow from baby animals. A duckling grows into a duck. A lamb grows into a sheep. A cub grows into a lion. A kitten grows into a cat. A foal grows into a horse. A calf grows into a cow. Quick recall. All living creatures grow. Our body changes as we grow. Plants grow from seeds. All animals grow from baby animal. Chapter 2. Organs of our body. Our organs. Our body has many parts. Each part helps us to do different works. These parts are called organs of our body. There are two types of organs. Organs. External organs. Internal organs. External organs. The organs that can be seen from outside are called external organs. Some of the external organs are eyes, ears, nose, skin, leg, tongue, arm. These organs help us to do many things. For example, eyes are the sense of sight. They help us to see. Ears are the sense of hearing.
They help us hear different sounds. Nose is the sense of smell. It helps us to smell. Tongue is the sense of taste. It helps us to taste. Skin is the sense of touch. It helps us feel. Our hands help us to write, hold, draw, throw. Our legs help us to kick, dance, run, stand. Internal organs. The organs that cannot be seen from outside are called internal organs. They are inside our body. Let us read about them. Brain. Our brain is within our head. It helps us think, remember, and learn. It controls our whole body. Heart. Our heart is within our chest. It pumps blood to all parts of our body. Lungs. Our lungs are inside our chest. They help to breathe. They get bigger when we breathe in and get smaller when we breathe out. Stomach. Our stomach is like a bag inside our body. It helps us digest the food we eat. Bones and muscles. Our body is made of bones and muscles. All the bones together make a frame called skeleton. It gives shape to our body and protects the internal organs. Muscles help us fold and stretch our legs and hands. We should eat healthy food and do exercise daily to keep our bones and muscles strong. Quick recall. Our body has two types of organs, external organs and internal organs. External organs are visible from outside. Internal organs are not visible from outside.
Chapter 3. Our family. What a family is? Parents and their children together make a family. All members of a family live together in a house. They have a common last name called surname. Some families are small while some are large. Types of families. There are 3 types of families. They are small or nuclear family, large family and joint family. Small or nuclear family. A small family or nuclear family has parents and their 2 children. There are 3 to 4 members in a small family. It is a happy family. Large family. A large family is a family in which parents, grandparents, and their more than 2 children live together. Joint family. A joint family is a family where parents, their children, grandparents, uncles, aunts, and their children live together. In a joint family, the children learn good habits and good manners and moral values from their grandparents. Relationships in a family. In a family, the members are related to one another. My father's or mother's father is my grandfather. My father's or mother's mother is my grandmother. My father's and mother's brother is my uncle. My uncle's wife is my aunt. My uncle's children are my cousins. Family tree. Look at this family tree. It shows how the family members are related to one another. Grandfather, grandmother. Father, mother. Uncle, aunt. Myself, sister. Sister, brother. Sharing and caring in the family. In a family, everyone helps each other and shares the household works. Parents look after their children. They love and help one another. A family teaches good values. In a family, generally, father goes for work to earn money. He helps children in studies and spends time with them. Mother often does the household works. She also helps children in doing their homework and takes care of family needs. Grandparents play with their grandchildren and tell stories to them. They love and take care of them. We should also show love and respect to our family members. We can help our parents in watering the plants, cleaning their rooms, etc. Quick recall. Parents and their children make a family. A small family is also called a nuclear family. We should respect the elders in our family. Grandparents give good values to children. Chapter 4. Our food. Need of food. We all need food. We cannot stay alive without it. It gives us energy to work and play. It helps us to grow and protects us from many diseases. Play, work. Sources of food. We get food mainly from two sources, plants and animals. Food from plants, vegetables, coffee, fruits, pulses, cereals, oil. Food from animals, milk, eggs, honey, meat, fish. Types of food. To stay healthy, we need to eat different types of food. Energy-giving food. Food that gives us energy is called energy-giving food. Some energy-giving food items are potatoes, sugar, butter, nuts, wheat, rice, oil. Bodybuilding food. Food that helps our bones and muscles to grow and makes us strong is called bodybuilding food. Some bodybuilding food items are milk, fish, eggs, pulses, beans, meat. Protective food. Food that protects us from diseases and helps us to stay healthy is called protective food. Some protective food items are vegetables, fruits. We should eat all types of food to stay healthy and fit. Eating the right quantity of each type of food is called a balanced diet. We should also drink plenty of water every day. Good eating habits. We should follow some good eating habits to stay healthy. For example, wash our hands before and after eating every meal. Eat our meals at fixed time. Eat properly cooked food and drink clean water. Chew the food slowly and well. Do not overeat. Do not eat junk food. Quick recall. Food helps us to stay healthy and grow, and it provides energy. 3 types of food are energy-giving food, bodybuilding food, and protective food. We should eat all types of food to be healthy. We should take a balanced diet. We should follow good eating habits. Chapter 5. Our clothes. What clothes are? Clothes are the items that we wear to cover our body. These are one of our basic needs. The others are food and house. Needs of clothes. Clothes protect us from heat. Clothes protects us from cold. Clothes protect us from rain. Clothes make us look smart and attractive. Clothes tell us the kind of work a person does. Clothes protect us from dust. Categories of clothes. We wear clothes according to place, season, occupation, and occasion. Clothes according to place. People in different parts of our country wear different types of clothes. Punjab, West Bengal, Rajasthan, Kerala. People living in different countries wear their traditional dresses. Africa, Scotland, Saudi Arabia, Japan. Clothes according to season. Summer season. It is very hot in summer. People wear light and loose cotton clothes. They absorb sweat and keep their body cool. Winter season. It is very cold in winter. People wear woolen clothes. They keep their body warm. Rainy season. In rainy season, people prefer to wear waterproof clothes and umbrellas. They also wear raincoats, gumboots to keep themselves dry from rain. Clothes according to occupation. People wear special kinds of clothes for special jobs. These are called uniform. Uniform is mark of their identification at the office, factory or workshop. Students also wear uniform when they go to school. Doctor, soldier, postman, a lawyer's uniform, policeman, astronaut. Clothes according to occasion. People wear colorful and fancy dresses on special occasions like weddings, birthdays, festivals, and parties. Fancy dress, wedding dress. Sources of clothes. Clothes are made from cotton, wool, and silk. Cotton. We get cotton from plant. It is a natural fiber. It is spun into threads and then these threads are woven into cloth on a machine called loom. Cotton, thread, loom, cloth. Wool. We get wool from sheep, camel, and other similar animals. It is also a natural fiber. It is spun into threads and then knitted into woolen clothes like sweaters, socks, etc. Sheep, wool, sweater. Silk. We get silk from silkworms. It is a natural fiber. Silkworms feed on mulberry leaves. They grow and then spin a cover around themselves called cocoons. The silk thread is obtained from these cocoons. These threads are then woven into cloth. Silkworm, cocoon, silk, cloth. Some fibers are made artificially. They are called man-made fibers, such as nylon and rayon. Quick recall. Clothes protect us from heat, cold, rain, dust, and insects. We wear clothes according to place, season, occupation, and occasion. Cotton, silk, and wool are natural fibers. Nylon and rayon are man-made fibers. Chapter 6. The house we live in. Needs of a house. We all need a house to live in. It protects us from heat, cold, wind, and rain. We feel safe and secure in our house. Kinds of houses. Different places have different types of houses. Let us learn about them. Kacha house. A kacha house is made of mud, straws, leaves, bamboos, etc. These houses are not very strong. They are temporary houses. They are mostly found in villages. Pakka house. A pakka house is a permanent house where people live for many years. It is made of bricks, cement, steel, and wood. They are strong. They are found in cities and towns. Some special types of houses. Hut. A hut is made of mud, wood, straw, and bamboos. It is not very strong. It is found in villages. Stilt house. A stilt house is made of wooden poles called stilts. It is built in places where it rains heavily. Igloo. An igloo is made with blocks of snow. It is made in places that are covered with ice throughout the year. Inuits, Eskimos live in igloos. Houseboat. A houseboat is a house on a boat. It is a floating house. It is found in Kashmir and Kerala. Caravan. A caravan is a house on wheels. It is a moving house. Some nomads and desert travelers stay in this house. Tent. A tent is made of canvas, cloth. It is a temporary house. Soldiers and campers stay in tents. Roofs of houses. Houses with flat roofs are seen where there is less rain. People living in plains build these houses. Houses with sloping roofs are seen where there is a heavy rain and snowfall. People living in hilly regions build these houses. Quick recall. A house protects us from heat, cold, wind, and rain. There are two types of houses, Pakka house and Kacha house. There are some special types of houses, hut, igloo, caravan, etc. Chapter 7. Services in our neighborhood. Our neighborhood. People, places, and things around our home make our neighborhood. There are many services in our neighborhood. They are very important as without them, our life could be very difficult. Market. A market is a place where we can buy things of daily use. It has many shops. From here, we buy medicines, clothes, milk, pulses, etc. One who sells goods in a shop is known as a shopkeeper. Post office. We can send and receive letters, parcels, and money through a post office. We can deposit money too. People can buy postcards, envelopes, and stamps from here. A postman delivers letters to us. Hospital. We go to a hospital when we are sick or get injured. There are doctors who examine us and tell us what medicine we should take. The nurse helps the doctor here. Bank. A bank is a place where we keep our money and jewelry safe. We can deposit money and withdraw it whenever we need it. Bus stop. A bus stop is a place where buses stop. People wait in a queue. Buses help them to go from one place to another. School. A school is a place where we go to learn how to read and write. We play and make friends there. We also do many other activities in the school. Police station. A police station is a place where police work. Police maintain law and order in our neighborhood. They catch thieves. The traffic police controls traffic on roads. Fire station. A fire station is a place where fire engines are kept ready to put out fire. We call 101 when the fire breaks out in our neighborhood. The fire brigade comes and puts out fire. Firefighters stay in fire stations. Quick recall. People, places and things around our house form our neighborhood. Market, post office, hospital, bank, bus stop, school, police station are some important services in our neighborhood. We should keep our neighborhood clean. Chapter 8. Our Festivals. Festivals of India. India is known as a land of festivals. People of different religions celebrate different festivals. They go to different places of worship to offer prayer. Temple for Hindus, mosque for Muslims, Gurudwara for Sikhs, church for Christians. Religious festivals. Dussehra. Dussehra is an important Hindu festival. It marks the victory of Lord Rama over the demon Ravana. Effigies of Ravana, his brother Kumbhakarna, and his son Meghnath are burnt as a symbol of victory of good over evil. Diwali. Diwali is celebrated 20 days after Dussehra. It is believed that on this day, Lord Rama returned to his kingdom after defeating Ravana. Thus, it is the Hindu festival of lights. On Diwali, people clean up homes and decorate them with candles and earthen lamps, diyas. They also exchange gifts and sweets with their friends and relatives. Children enjoy burning candles and lighting crackers. Holi. Holi is the festival of colors. People throw colored powder and water on one another. People also eat sweets on this day. Gujia, a special sweet dish, is made for Holi. Gurpurab. Gurpurab is the festival of Sikhs. It is celebrated as the birthday of Sikh Gurus. Early morning, big processions are taken out in the city. Sikhs pray in Gurudwaras and have a special meal in the Gurudwara. This meal is called langar. Anyone can eat langar. Eid. Eid is the festival of Muslims. It is celebrated after fasting for a month called Ramzan. They wear new clothes, offer namaz in mosques, and wish Eid Mubarak to each other. On this day, a special sweet dish is prepared called sevaiyan. Christmas. Christmas is celebrated on the 25th of December every year to mark the birth of Jesus Christ. Christians go to church to offer prayers. They wear new clothes, sing carols, and set up Christmas trees. Children wait for Santa Claus on Christmas evening to get gifts from him. Besides all these festivals, the Hindus celebrate Raksha Bandhan and Bhai Dooj. These two festivals strengthen the bond of love between brothers and sisters. National festivals. Independence Day. Independence Day is celebrated on 15th August every year. On this day, India got freedom from the British. The Prime Minister of India hoists the national flag at the Red Fort in New Delhi. Republic Day. Republic Day is celebrated on 26th January every year. A grand parade is taken at Rajpath in New Delhi. On this day, India became a republic. Gandhi Jayanti. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated on 2nd October. It is the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi. Quick recall. India is a land of festivals. Holi, Diwali, Dussehra are popular Hindu festivals. Eid is a Muslim festival. Guru Purab is celebrated by the Sikhs and Christmas is celebrated by the Christians. Independence Day, Republic Day and Gandhi Jayanti are our national festivals. Chapter 9. Safety Rules and First Aid. Safety Rules. Safety rules are the rules that help us to be safe. Accidents happen when we are careless. They can harm our body. Safety on road. Always walk on the footpath. Never run across the road. Cross the road only from zebra crossing. While walking or crossing a road, hold your father's or mother's hand. Safety at home. Do not play with sharp objects like knives and blades. Do not leave toys on the floor. You may trip over them. Never touch the electric switches when your hands are wet. Do not play with fire. Keep away from hot surfaces like gas stove, oven, iron, toaster and heaters. Do not run up and down the stairs. You may fall and hurt yourself. Do not take medicines on your own. Safety at school. Do not run on the corridors. Never fight with others. Always walk in a queue. Do not stand or jump over desks and chairs. Do not run or push others on the stairs. Safety while playing. Do not play on the road. Follow the rules of the game. Wait patiently for your turn on swings. Do not stand in front of a swing. Never push others while playing. Do not play near open manholes. Do not play rough games. Safety in a bus. Always stand in a queue while waiting for a bus. Always get in or out of a bus after it has stopped completely. Never put your head or hands out of a moving bus. Never disturb the driver when he is driving. Always wear a seat belt while sitting in a car. First aid. An immediate treatment given to an injured or a sick person is called first aid. A first aid box contains essential things such as bandage, scissors, cotton, antiseptic lotions and creams. Your home and your school must keep a first aid kit. Quick recall. To save ourselves from accidents, we should always follow safety rules. We should follow safety rules everywhere. First aid is the immediate treatment to an injured or a sick person. Chapter 10. Means of Transport and Communication. Means of transport. A way of transporting people or goods from one place to another is called transport. In olden days, people traveled on their feet or used animals. Later, they invented wheels. Nowadays, we use various vehicles to travel from one place to another. These vehicles are called means of transport. There are broadly 3 different means of transport. Land transport. The vehicles that run on land are called land transport. The following vehicles are means of land transport: auto rickshaw, bullock cart, bike, car. Rickshaw, metro rail, train. Big cities like Kolkata, Delhi, Mumbai, Kochi, Jaipur, Gurugram, Chennai, Hyderabad, Noida, Ahmedabad and Lucknow have metro rail services. Water transport. The vehicles that sail on water are called the means of water transport. We can travel from one country to another by ships. Ships, boats, steamers, tankers, etc. are some means of water transport. Boat, cruise ship, submarine ship. Air transport. The vehicles that fly in the air are called means of air transport. Aeroplanes, helicopters and jet planes are some means of air transport. Aeroplanes are the fastest means of transport. Helicopters are used for shorter distances and in emergency situations like flood. Astronauts travel to space station in a rocket. Rocket, aeroplane, helicopter, hot air balloon, jet plane. Some other transport. In hilly areas, people use horses and mules to go from one place to another and to carry their goods. In some hilly areas, ropeway is used. In desert areas, people use camels to travel and to carry their goods. Camel in a desert, ropeway in a hilly area. Means of communication. Communication means sharing of information, ideas, feelings, etc. Means of communication help us to talk and exchange thoughts with our relatives and friends. Following are examples of communication: postcard, phone, letter, fax, email. Types of communication. Number 1. Personal communication. Communication between two persons is called personal communication. Mobile phone, fax, and email are means of personal communication. Number 2. Mass communication. To convey any message to many people at a time, we use means of mass communication. Newspaper, magazine, TV, radio, etc. are means of mass communication. Newspapers, radio, television. Quick recall. Means of transport help us to move from one place to another. There are 3 types of transport: land transport, water transport, and air transport. Means of communication help us to talk with our relatives and friends. Postcard, letter, telephone, mobile phone, fax, email, etc. are means of personal communication, while newspaper, magazine, radio, and television are means of mass communication. Chapter 11. Plants around us. Plants. Number 1. Plants are living beings. They too breathe, grow, need food and water. Number 2. We see different kinds of plants around us. They are of different shapes and sizes. Let us learn about different types of plants. Different types of plants. Trees. Trees are big plants. They have many branches. They have hard and strong stems called trunk. They live for many years. Neem, banyan, peepal, mango, coconut, etc. are trees. Shrubs. Some plants are small and bushy. They are called shrubs. They have hard and thin stems with many branches. They grow close to the ground. Cotton, rose, hibiscus, jasmine, lemon, etc. are shrubs. Herbs. Some plants are very small. They are called herbs. They have soft and green stems. Herbs are the seasonal plants. Grass, mint, chili, tomato, sunflower, etc. are herbs. Climbers. There are some plants that have weak stems. They need support to stand straight. They are called climbers. Grapevine, pea, money plant, etc. are climbers. Creepers. There are some plants which are very weak. They cannot grow straight, so they creep on the ground. They are called creepers. Watermelon, pumpkin, cucumber, strawberry, bottle gourd, etc. are creepers. Water plants. Some plants grow only in water. They are called water plants. They may be floating or fixed. Lotus, water lily, hyacinth, etc. are water plants. Parts of a plant. A plant has many parts. Roots. The roots are the underground part of plant. They give support to the plant. They absorb water and minerals from the soil. Stem. The stem is the part of a plant that grows above the ground. It bears the branches and holds all the parts of the plant. Leaf. Leaves grow on the stem and branches. They are mostly green. They prepare food for the plant. Flower. Many plants bear flowers. They are found in different colors, shapes and sizes. Some flowers have sweet smell. Fruits. Flowers grow into a fruit. It is the common eatable part of a plant. Seed. Fruits have seeds. They are smaller than fruits. They grow into new plants. Uses of plants. Plants are very useful to us. They provide us many useful things. The most important thing which we get from plants is oxygen. We need it for breathing. Look at the following things that we get from plants: oxygen, fruits, tea, perfumes, grains, vegetables, rubber, oil, spices, medicines. Food from plants. We get most of our food items from plants. They give us many fruits and vegetables. The different parts of a plant are eaten as vegetable. We get sugar from sugarcane. Apple, mango, grapes, lychee, radish, potato, ginger, sugarcane. Cabbage, spinach and lettuce are some leafy vegetables. Cabbage, spinach, lettuce. Bottle gourd, brinjal, tomato, etc. are the fruits of plants. Brinjal, bottle gourd, tomato. We also get spices from plants. Turmeric, coriander. Plants also provide us beverages like tea and coffee. We get oil from plants. Seeds of plants like sunflower, groundnut, coconut, mustard and soya beans give us oils. Oils are used in cooking, making soaps and other things. Soya bean, mustard seed, ground seed, sunflower seed, coconut. Wood from plants. We get timber or wood from plants. It is used in making furniture and other household items. We also get firewood from plants. It is used for cooking food. Medicines from plants. We also get medicines from plants. Tulsi leaves are used to treat common cold and cough. Neem leaves are used to cure skin diseases. Eucalyptus oil is obtained from eucalyptus tree. Perfumes and shampoos from plants. Flowers of plants like rose and jasmine are used to make perfumes and cosmetics. Paper and rubber from plants. We get paper from the stem of bamboo plant. The juice of acacia tree is used to make glue or gum. The juice of rubber plants is used to make rubber. Bamboo plant, acacia tree, rubber tree. Fibers from plants. We get fibers from plants like cotton, jute, coconut, etc. They are used to make clothes, sacks, rugs, ropes, mats, etc. Cotton plant, jute plant. Animals eat plants. Animals eat grass and other parts of plants. Plants are very useful to all of us. They make our earth green. They also keep the air clean. We must grow more and more plants. We should not cut them. Quick recall. Plants provide us with fruits, vegetables, grains, spices, fibers, wood, medicines, oils, rubber, perfumes, and food for animals, etc. Plants give us oxygen which we breathe in. We see different kinds of plants around us. Plants are living beings. Trees, shrubs, and herbs are different kinds of plants. Climbers and creepers are weak plants. Some plants grow only in water. A plant has different parts like roots, stem, leaves, flowers, fruits, buds, seeds, etc. Chapter 13. Uses and Homes of Animals. Uses of animals. Animals are useful to us in many ways. We get different kinds of food from them. Let us learn their uses. Milk from animals. Animals like cow, buffalo, goat, and camel give us milk. We make many items like ghee, butter, and sweets from milk. Eggs, meat, and fish from animals. Some animals like hen, goose, and duck give us eggs. Eggs are good for health. We get chicken and meat from hen, duck, and goat. We also eat different types of fish and crabs. Hen, eggs, duck, chicken, goat, meat, fish, fried fish, crab, crab dish. Wool from animals. Animals such as sheep, yak, and camel give us wool. It is used to make woolen clothes. Sheep, yak, wool, sweater. Leather from animals. We get leather from dead animals like goat, buffalo, camel, snake, etc. The leather is used to make belts, bags, jackets, shoes, purse, etc. Silk from silkworm. An insect called silkworm gives us silk. It feeds on mulberry leaves. Silkworms make cocoons using their saliva. Silk is produced from the cocoons. Silkworm, cocoon, silk thread, silk cloth. Honey and wax from honeybees. We get honey from honeybees. We also get wax from their hives, which is used to make candles. Honeybees store honey in their hives. Honeybee, beehive, wax. There are some animals like elephant, donkey, camel, horse, bull, buffalo, etc., which carry load, draw carts, and help plow feed. We keep dog, cat, parrot, and fish at home for our companionship. Dog, aquarium. Bulls draw plow. A donkey carries load. Homes of animals. Animals also need homes to protect themselves from heat, cold, rain, wind, and their enemies. Some animals build their houses on their own. Some wild animals live in open. Houses of some animals are built by us. We keep a horse in a stable. We keep a dog in a kennel. We keep a cow in a shed. Monkey lives in a tree. A bird makes a nest. Honeybees make a beehive. Rabbits live in a burrows. Bears live in the den. Elephants and giraffes live in open space. Quick recall. We get many useful things from animals. We build houses for domestic and pet animals. Many wild animals make their houses, while many others live in open space. Chapter 12: Animals and their food. Different types of animals. There are different types of animals around us. There are land animals, water animals, amphibians, birds, reptiles, and insects. Some animals are big and some are small. They also eat different types of food. Let us learn all these things about animals. Land animal. There are some animals which live on land. They are called land animals. They are of different types: lion, fox. Wild animals. The animals which live in forest are called wild animals. They get their food from forests: tiger, elephant. Domestic animals. The animals that we keep in our house or on farm are called domestic animals. They give us milk and carry our load, etc. Cow, donkey. Pet animals. There are some animals that we keep in our house for entertainment. They are called pet animals: dog, rabbit. Water animals. The animals that live in water are called water animals. They have fins and tentacles to swim in water. Following are some water animals: fish, seal, octopus, prawn, shark. Some animals can live both on land and in water. They are called amphibians. Following are some land and water animals: salamander, frog, tortoise. Birds. Birds are also the animals that can fly with the help of their wings. They do not have teeth but have beaks to eat their food. Parrots, pigeons, sparrows, eagles, and crows are the birds that can fly. There are some birds that cannot fly. Penguins, ostriches, and emus are the birds that cannot fly. They are called flightless birds. Reptiles. Reptiles are the animals that crawl on the ground. They have small legs called limbs. Snakes have no legs. Chameleons, lizards, and snakes are reptiles. Insects. Insects are very small animals with 6 legs. Most of the insects have wings and can fly in the air. Houseflies, honeybees, mosquitoes, and butterflies can fly. Louse, flea, silkworm, and termite have no wings and cannot fly. Honeybees are useful, but mosquitoes and flies are harmful insects. Food of animals. Like humans, animals also need food. They eat different types of food. There are some animals that eat only grass, plants, and plant parts. They are called herbivores or herbivorous animals. Rhinoceros, buffalo, deer, zebra, elephant. There are some animals that eat only the flesh of other animals. They are called carnivores or carnivorous animals. Mongoose, lion, wolf, jackal. Some animals eat both plants and meat of other animals. They are called omnivores or omnivorous animals: bear, fox, raccoon. Some animals eat the flesh of dead animals. They are called scavengers. Quick recall. Different animals live in different places. Some animals eat only plants. Some animals eat the meat of other animals, and some animals eat the both. Chapter 14: Air and Water. Air. Air is all around us. We cannot see or touch air, but we can feel it when it blows. Air has no color and shape. Air takes up the shape of things in which it is filled. Look at the ball. It is filled with air. Air occupies space. The balloon gets bigger in size because air inside the balloon takes up the space. Air has weight. Air also carries weight. It can be proven by an experiment given below. Uses of air. Air helps a kite to fly in the sky. Air helps a hot air balloon to go up in the sky. Air is needed for burning. Air helps to dry clothes. Air helps a bird to fly in the sky. All people, plants and animals breathe through air. Air helps boat to sail in water. Air moves windmills. Water. We all need water. Plants and animals also need water to stay alive. We need water for doing many activities. Bathing, cooking food, watering plants, washing clothes, putting out fire, drinking. Forms of water. There are 3 different forms of water. Number 1, solid. 2, liquid. 3, gas. Sources of water. The most part of the earth is covered with water, but only a small portion of water is suitable to be used by us. Rain is the main source of water on the earth. Rainwater fills up the rivers, ponds, lakes and oceans. Some of the water goes into the ground. This is called groundwater. We get this water by digging wells or through hand pumps. Well, hand pump, tube well, river. Caring for water and air. Water and air are the most precious elements on the earth, so we should care for them. Plant more trees, they clean the air. Never keep the tap open while brushing the teeth. Do not burst crackers, it makes the air dirty. Get the leaking taps or pipes repaired. Use bicycle. The smoke of vehicles pollutes the air. Do not waste water while bathing. Quick recall. Air is present all around us. We cannot see or touch the air but can feel it. All humans, animals and plants need water. Water is found in 3 forms: solid, liquid and gas. We get water from wells, rivers, ponds, lakes, etc. We should take care of air and water. Chapter 15. Weather and Seasons. Weather. Weather is the condition of temperature, wind, rain, etc. of an area at a given time. The weather of a place keeps on changing from day to day. It can even change many times in a day. Weather can be hot, cold, rainy, cloudy and windy. Sometimes it is very cold. It is called a cold day. Sometimes the sun shines brightly. It is called a hot day. Sometimes strong wind blows. It is called a windy day. Sometimes it rains heavily. It is called a rainy day. Season. When a particular type of weather remains for several months, it is called a season. Summer season. Summer is the hottest season of the year. April, May and June are the months of summer. In this season, we like to stay inside home and uses fans, coolers and air conditioners. We like to have cold water. Common fruits of summer season are mango, watermelon and muskmelon. Rainy season. July, August and September are rainy months. In this season, days are cloudy and it rains very often. We use umbrellas and raincoats to protect ourselves from rain when we go outside. Autumn season. Autumn season follows the rainy season. In autumn season, crops ripen and some trees shed their leaves. October and November are the months of autumn season. Winter season. It is cold in the winter season. In India, December, January and February are the months of winter. People wear woolen clothes to keep themselves warm. Oranges and apples are winter fruits. Spring season. In spring season, it is neither too hot nor too cold. The weather is pleasant. February and March are the months of spring season. During this season, we can see flowers blooming all around. Grapes, lemons and apricots are the main fruits of these seasons. Quick recall. Weather is the condition of temperature, wind, rain, etc. of an area at a particular time. When the same kind of weather condition continues for a long period of time, it is called a season. In India, we have 5 seasons in a year, namely summer, rainy, autumn, winter and spring. Chapter 16. The Earth. The Earth. We live on the planet called Earth. It is round in shape. It is the only planet which has life on it. It is covered with land, water and air. Land. The surface of the earth is not the same everywhere. It is high at some places and deep at the others. The earth has land and water portion. There are different types of land. Plains. A large flat land is called a plain. It is good to grow crops and build roads and houses on plains. Most of the cities and villages are found on the plains. Plateau. A plateau is a high land with a flat top. Mountains. Mountains are very high lands. The tip of a mountain is known as peak. Peaks of some of very high mountains remain covered with snow. Valley. A valley is a low area lying between hills or mountains. It is a beautiful form of land. Often a river or a stream flows through a valley. Desert. A desert is land that is covered with sand. Cactus grows in the desert because it needs very little water. Ocean. An ocean is the largest water body on the earth. It has salty water. Sea. A sea is smaller than an ocean. Seawater is also salty and not fit for drinking. River. A river is a small water body in which water flows continuously. Rivers have both origin and end. Lake. A lake is a water body with land around it on all sides. Pond. A pond is a small water body bound by land on all sides. Air. The earth is surrounded by air. It covers the earth like a blanket called the atmosphere. We cannot live without air. All the plants and animals need air to breathe in. The earth is our home, so we should take care of it. We must keep water bodies and air clean. Quick recall. We live on the planet Earth. The earth is covered with land, water and air. Plains, plateaus, deserts, mountains and valleys are some examples of landforms on the earth. Lakes, ponds, rivers, seas and oceans are some examples of water bodies on the earth. We should take care for the earth.